Hello, boys and girls. I am Tamara W and I will be your teacher for today. Our lesson today will be focused on polygons. What are polygons? Do you remember? Great. Polygons are flat or plain two-dimensional closed shapes with straight lines. And remember, polygons do not have curved sides. We can classify polygons into two groups. Do you remember what these groups are? Awesome. Regular and irregular polygons. Remember, regular polygons have all sides and angles equal, and irregular polygons have unequal sides and unequal angles. Let us look at the two sets on screen. Which set represents a set of polygons? Is it A or is it B? Let us remind ourselves about what we know about polygons. We know that polygons have straight sides and are closed figures. Which group fits this criteria? Awesome, A. In B, we have shapes that have curved sides as well as sides that are not connected. So group B is a set of non-polygons. Students, we have different names for different polygons. You may know some, but let us look at the shape on screen. Can you describe this shape? Did I hear yes? Are there any right angles? Yes, they are. Remember the lesson when we talked about right angles? We say when a vertical and horizontal line meets, the point of intersection forms a right angle. So for this shape, we can identify 4 right angles at each corner of the shape. How many sides does this shape have? Awesome, 4. Is it regular? I agree, it is. How do we know? Our stroke on the line indicates that all sides are equal. And remember, regular polygons have all sides and angles equal. What would you call this shape? Very good, a square. So a 4-sided shape with all sides equal is called a square. What about this one? Can we describe the shape? Are there any right angles? Yes, indeed. And how many sides? 4, I agree. Is it regular? I don't think so either. All sides are not equal, hence it is irregular. So what is the name of this shape? Awesome, a rectangle. We have special names for 4-sided polygons, boys and girls. Do you know what they are called? It starts with a Q. Quadrilaterals. Very good. Now let's turn our attention on this shape on screen. Are there any right angles? Absolutely not. How many sides? Yes, 3. Is it regular? Yes, because all sides and angles are equal. So what is the name of this shape? Awesome, it is an equilateral triangle. Let us look at this shape. How many sides does it have? Also 3. Are there any right angles? I'm seeing 1. Are you? Awesome. Indeed, there is 1 right angle. What would you call this shape? A right angled triangle. And finally, is it regular? No, it is not. What do we notice, boys and girls? We had 2 different triangles. One is regular and one isn't. One has equal sides and the other unequal sides. But they are both triangles by nature of it having 3 sides. How do we draw these polygons though? What are some of the tools we need? We need 3 basic tools: a pencil, a ruler, and paper. So grab your tools and let's draw. Let's place our centimeter ruler on the paper and draw a line from 0 to 8. That means the line is 8 centimeters long. Let's draw another parallel line to the first one we draw, of the same length, of course. Now, we connect our lines using our rulers. What is the name of the shape we just drew? Very good. It is a quadrilateral, and the name of this quadrilateral is rectangle. Let us draw another one. This time, we're going to draw a triangle. Let us draw a diagonal line from left to right using our ruler. Let us draw another diagonal line from right to left, connecting both lines. Now let's add a base. Use our rulers to connect the lines, and there you have it, students. We have drawn a triangle. Remember, when we draw, we use our rulers for straight lines. Sometimes we're given specific measurements for our polygon sides. We use our rulers to mark the specific lengths and connect our lines. Now to our final task of the day. A gift shop owner sees a 4-sided sign she ordered from the local sign maker and says, "You got it wrong. I want a square like the turn left road sign." Do you think the sign maker of the gift shop owner was to blame for the wrong sign? When you think about it, it is a 4-sided shape, or as we call it, a quadrilateral. It could be any 4-sided shape. It could be a square, it could be a rectangle, or it could be any other quadrilaterals. So saying you want 4-sided sign will not be enough information. But students, what would you have done to ensure you received the correct sign? One brilliant student said they would give more specific details, say irregular quadrilaterals. Another brilliant student said they could have given specific measurements for the sign, and I do agree. What would those measurements look like? The measurement would have to be equal lengths because a square sign was needed. Any other idea? Could the gift shop owner draw the polygon needed as an outline for the sign? I think so too. How do we draw a square? We draw 2 parallel lines of equal lengths vertically and connect them to 2 parallel lines of the same length as the vertical horizontally, or vice versa. And remember, we use our rulers for straight edges and measurements. That is it for today, students. Let us recap what we have learned today. Polygons are closed straight line figures that can be regular or irregular. We identify a polygon based on its characteristics. One such is the number of sides the polygon has. We draw polygons by using our ruler to draw our lines and ensure that they are all connected. Thank you for tuning in. You have done well today. Until next time, be safe and enjoy the rest of your day.